Motivation is trash. You want to know why? Because after you're done watching this motivational video, you're going to go back to scrolling. Listen, I'm a nobody, but I'm in the process of becoming a somebody, and I want the same for you. Hey, I was a girl who had a stutter. That scared little girl never dreamed of a career where speaking was the main job description. That's why I'm here to tell you that you have to show up before motivation will. You need drive. Fleeting motivation you can get at the click of a button, but drive, that comes from within. That's what makes you want to wake up in the morning. That's the basic truth. How hungry are you? How relentless are you in your pursuit? Are you afraid because of a hypothetical failure? Or are you afraid to fail because of what others might say? People who are driven don't care about any of that. They care about making a mark. They care about making progress one day at a time. They have a vision of who they want to be, but most of all, they're stepping up to find out who they can be. Without drive, you're stuck in a cycle. So what reality are you choosing for yourself? The one where you're stuck in the same cycle, wishing for a better life? Or one where you wake up and claim what's already yours? Eat until your belly is full, because you just woke up with the biggest hunger you've ever felt in your life. If you do, you will. So show up.